back to my channel. It's your girl Jayla Kenedi, or Jayla K. I'm back here with part 2 of the dorm haul. Look, don't go look at the time when my first one was, because I had to work, alright? So I had to go after work to get more stuff. But see, my last day was last week, so you know I just went and splurged, you feel me now, bro. Anyways, I'm going to show y'all what I recently got and what I got after the first part of the haul. So just stay tuned. But first, make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment what you want me to show y'all next. And yeah, let's just get right on into the video. Alright, so we're gonna start off with that stuff. I got me a shower curtain. I don't know if y'all can see it. It has kind of like a Paris theme. So, pretty excited. Again, my colors are gray, white, and kind of like is this color blue. I don't know if this is like aqua or I don't think it's turquoise maybe. I don't know. But it's pretty blue to me. So yeah, got some handy dandy shower curtains. This one says J for my first name. Isn't it beautiful? Take a moment. Take a moment because my mama is so extra. But I thought it was cute too, so I'm extra. And we also have this for my last name. So yay. Alright, so then we also have these towels because there was a problem with finding my roommate's, like her first initial. So we just got 2 of those and we're gonna hang them up. Okay, so we also have this foamy bath mat. This is for like when you step out onto the floor from the shower. So, you know, when I have to step on something nice and smooth. So yeah, we got that. Oh, this came from Walmart, by the way. I'm pretty sure y'all saw it. So, and then I have this this is just like my pride possession. Y'all, isn't this cute? This is cute. And you already know it's at Walmart, so you can go ahead and cop yours. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and get your little owl good idea. I think it only comes in gray and black. So y'all remember when I didn't have sheets? Like, but anyways. So I went and bought sheets. I ordered it off JCPenney's website. I just got the three piece that comes with the flat sheet, fitted sheet, and a pillowcase. They were 20 something. Sheets, unless you just getting like a fitted sheet and a flat sheet, baby, sheets is expensive. Hit up JCPenney, you want to spend out a buttload of money. I got the foam mattress pad. I want to get there, open and put it on my bed, and then kind of like see how it feels before I go get another one. Because Walmart, honestly, is gonna get tired of me bringing stuff back. You gotta take a drink break. Pepsi, we don't have no Coke. Like, honestly, your girl is going through tough times trying to get all this stuff packed. I have one bin. Well, I have 2, but one of them is going to be specifically for my clothes, like all my clothes that are in my closet. It's not even all of them, but one is going to be for my clothes, and then one of them is going to be, well, it's going to have to be for my shoes, because maybe my shoes going to take up the whole thing. So, I don't know if you watched the first one, but I had 2 comforters, and we took both of them. I didn't want all those like patterns and stuff to clash. So I went back to Walmart because I I knew Walmart had gray comforters that were like plain with no designs. So I picked up one, and it was plain gray, you know. And so like I looked at that to find something wrong with it, like. But so we took those 2 comforters back. I went to Walmart. I had got that one, but I took that one back. So I went to Walmart again to get another one. Now I'm gonna take this one back. Like, I had found this. It's a velvet comforter, and I thought this was so cute. But my mama said it was ugly. So see, like, y'all, look at this. So cute. Like, I love it. It is. I have my mom made up by Friday if I want to keep this or not. Bed, Bath, and Beyond. But we got some good stuff. Good stuff. You see? So I got this. It's a 6-shelf. It says sweater organizer, but I'm not gonna put no door. I don't wear sweaters. I wear jackets, pullovers. This was $9.99. The original price was $14.99, but I guess they had put it on clearance. So, and that's my color. Like, so I'm gonna leave that there. Next, I have this set of 2 underbed storage bags. So. Whatever don't fit in my closet or in my drawers, it's gonna go under here. And shelf shoe organizer. So I have this, and all of these were $9.99. I don't know what Bed Bath & Beyond was trying to do, but thank you. My mom found this at Ross for $5.99. It says Girl Power. This is so cute. And then she found this. Where did she get this? Oh, she got this at Big Lots. It says Grateful Thank Friend Loves at All Times. And this is so cute. I love it. She also had this that she was using for her company. Well, not her company, but her business. But I guess she got 2 of them, so she gave me one. And I went and got these bad boys here. They were actually at home had a sale, so they were $12.50. They were on sale for $12.50. A buttload of cleaning supplies. So we got some Clorox wipes, got some Lysol spray, some more Clorox wipes, some more Clorox wipes. This flushable fresh brush flushable refill. Baby, I don't even have the thing to refill. Anyway, something to clean the toilet. We got some multi-surface 409. This stuff is also have some toilet bowl cleaner. It has hydrogen peroxide. So got that because when I get there, their room getting towed up to get clean. I'm just telling you. Drawer things from Walmart. It's like the pull-out drawer things, and I'm just gonna use that as my nightstand. So yeah, that is all that I have today for you all. That completes my college dorm haul. So if you haven't seen part 1, then you should go check that out. I will probably have that link down below, or you can just go press on my channel and just go to it. Comment below, tell me what you think about that comforter, if I should take it back. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, just show me love and support, and I will bring you guys more videos. And yeah, next video that I'm going to have for you, my dog, wow, it's just a mess in here right now. If you can see my forehead, you would just think a tornado hit it. But thank you so much for watching, and see you guys next time. Ooh.